Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We're going to start with grade 8 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 8 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter data and graph. The lessons we're going to cover today are create histograms, create frequency charts, interpret box and whisker plots, and scatter plots. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is create histograms. Okay, Campbell Flooring tracked the number of broken tiles in each shipment it received last year. Use the data to complete the histogram below. 19, 5, 28, 34, 4, 42, 26, 47, 36, 41, 29, 38, and 31. The missing bar is from the range 40 to 49. Got it? You just need to see. Count the number of values in the range. So from 40 to 49, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have four values from 4 to 449, 40 to 49. So you can see here number of shipments. You need to calculate the shipments. Got it? The one from 0 to 9 is 1, 2. You just have 2 from 0 to 9. Got it? They are 5 and 4. Then from 10 to 19, they are just 1. Then from 20 to 29, they are just 3. And then from 30 to 39 and 40 to 49, they are just 4 entries. Got it? Basically, this one is missing in the graph. You have to add this one. Got it? Okay, just look at the other option. Example. A business magazine surveyed its reader about their commute times. Use the data to complete the histogram below. Here in this one, the missing histogram bar is 40 to 59. You have to calculate the values from 40 to 59. So it will be 1, and 40 to 59. You have just one value. Got it? So here you have this one is actually missing. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, Dan will track the number of broken tiles in each shipment it received last year. Use the data to complete the histogram below. Just match the values. Got it? Just count the values. Here you have 1 to 5. See how many values do we have 1 to 5. We have just one. Got it? So here it is on the 1. Got it? This one is correct. Then 6 to 10. 6, 6, 10. You have just 3. This is not the correct option. See, it matches to the 4. Got it? That means the second option is the correct option. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. So the second option is the correct option. Oh, it would be the first one because between 6 to 10, that would be 4. Got it? I didn't count the correct values. A business magazine surveyed its reader about their commute times. Use the data to complete the histogram below. So just look at the values, count the values. from 0 to 19. 1, 2, just two values between 0 to 19. So here you have two. Got it? Then from 20 to 39. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have four values from 20 to 39. Then from 40 to 59. 40 to 1. So you have just one value between 40 to 59. Got it? So that means this is not the correct option because here it matches with the 3. Got it? So option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? See, here you have one. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, a pet store owner had her staff count the number of fish in each tank. Use the data in the table to complete the histogram below. Click to set the height of the missing bar. Okay, from 0 to 9, it is 25. Got it? From 10 to 19, it is 15. Here you have 15. From 20 to 19, here you have 20. This would be 20. From 40 to 39, it would be 10. This one is 10. From 40 to 49, it would be 20. That means option number 1 is the correct option. You just have to match the values in the table and fit the graph. Got it? Eric, a candy store employee, placed peppermint candies into a jar of various sizes. Use the data in the table to complete the histogram below. From 1 to 20, it would be 25. Just match the values. Here you have 25. From 21 to 40, it would be 5. Here you have 5. From 41 to 60, it would be 10. Here you have 10. From 61 to 80, you have 5. But see, it matches with the 15. That means this isn't the correct option. The correct option is the second one. You can see it matches to the 5. Got it? So second option is the correct option. A candy dispenser put various numbers of orange candies into bags. Use the data to complete the histogram below. Orange candies per bag. Okay, let's just see how many values do we have from 1 to 5. 1, 2. Just two values from 1 to 5. So option number 1 is the, yeah, that matches to 2. Then 6 to 10. 1, 2, 3. You have three values. Wait, let me just confirm. 1, 2, 3, and here you have 4. Four values from 6 to 10. So here you can see it matches with the 4. Then from 11 to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 values. 1, 2, 3, 11 to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you can see it matches with the 5. Got it? Then you have 16 to 20. 1, 2, it would be just 2. See it match with the 2. Then 21 to 25. 1, just one value from 21 to 25. So the option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is for a science fair project. Steve tracked the temperature each day. Use the data to complete the histogram below. Okay, let's just count the values from 0 to 4. 1, 2, 3. Just three values from 0 to 4. See here, it number of temperature is 3. Got it? Then you have 5 to 9. 1, 2, 3. That would be 3. So again, here you have 3. Okay, from 10 to 14. 1, 2. Just two values. So here it match with the 2. Got it? Then from 15 to 19. 1, just one value. So see here it match with the 1. Then from 20 to 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It match with the 3. That means this isn't the correct option. That would be the one that match with the 5. Got it? So that is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. If you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Okay, the next one is create frequency charts. Let's just start with the next lesson. A veterinarian weighted all the dogs that visited her office last month. Use the data to complete the frequency chart below. You have to just count the values between these range. Got it? Like this one, 20 to 39. See how many values do we have from 20 to 39. You have to find the missing 100 to 119. Okay, 100 to 1119. 1, 2, and 3. You have three values between 100, and that means three of the dogs last month weighted between 100 to 1119. Got it? So the missing line is correct option is 3. Got it? Okay, while compelling photos of an album, Monica noted the number of photographs taken by each of her friend and family. So fill in the missing number. Photographs taken. Zero photographs of how many people? It would be just match the cross in front of zero. It would be 1, 2, 3. Got it? That means three persons have no photograph. Let's just start with the test questions. The train conductor made sure to count the number of passengers on each train. Use the data to complete the frequency chart table. You have to calculate the values that are between 100 to 119. Got it? Just calculate the values 100 to 119. 1, 2, 3. They are just 3. Got it? So the correct option is 3. Diana counted the total number of shells collected by her friends during a walk on the beach. Use the data in the line plot to complete the frequency chart below. So fill in the missing value. So two seashells found by how many people? That would be the second one. 7. Got it? You have to calculate the, you have to count the cross in front of 2. So the correct option is 7. The Windale Soup Company recorded the number of rotten tomatoes in each barrel it received. Use the data to complete the frequency chart below. Number of rotten tomatoes 1. You need to see how many barrels have just one rotten tomato. Got it? So it would be see how many times the one appeared in the data. Just 3 times. Got it? That means just 3 of the barrels have one rotten tomato. Got it? The correct option is 3. A cookie factory monitored the number of broken cookies per pack yesterday. Use the data in the histogram to complete the frequency chart below. So number of packs Broken cookies from 0 to 4 is, here you have 0 and 4, and the number of packs would be 2. So the correct option is 2. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. For a fundraiser, the children in the art club made greeting cards and kept track of how many they produced. Use the data in the line plot to complete the frequency chart table. So, how many children make 0 foot greeting cards? So, the correct option is 6. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. If you have any question related to the graph, you can ask. I suppose you guys already know how to read the graphs because you guys are in grade 8. So you must know how to read. If you have any question related to the graphs, you can ask. I will explain in detail. The next one is in, interpret box and whisker plots. An auditor at a utility store utility company is going over customers' bill from June, ensuring that they were charged the right amount of for the gas they used. She is focusing on customers living in the Stafford and Lakeside. These box and whisker plots show the result. Which city has an upper quartile that is higher? So, which would be the upper quartile? I think they have the equal. They have equal upper quartiles. Okay, let me see. The upper quartile is higher for Stafford. This one is Stafford. And that would be the upper, okay, that would be the upper quartile. Got it? So it would be 200. This one is the lower quartile and this one is the upper quartile. So see, it has 280 and it has 260. That means Stafford has the higher upper quartile. Got it? Okay. The water company that serves Newberry is rolling out a new water saving program, but in order to be effective, they need to target customers that pay certain amount on their bills. They start by reviewing how much customers paid on their December bills. The box and whisker plot shows the result. Got it? What is the median? You have to calculate the median value. Got it? Median is the middle value. So see, here is the lower quartile, here is the upper quartile, and that would be the middle. So it would be 80. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, an auditor at a utility company is going over customers' bill from June, ensuring that they were charged the right amount of the gas they used. She is focusing on customers living in Stafford and Lakeside. These box and whisker plots show the results. That's the one we did on the tutorial. So, which city has an upper quartile that is higher? Stafford has higher. Got it? You can see it is 280. So, Stafford has higher upper quartile. An air traffic controller took note of how many flights left certain cities each day. This blocks and whisker plot shows the result. What is the outlier? So, which is the correct option? Outlier is the 0 flights is the outlier. Got it? Outlier means the one that doesn't lie in the graph. That would be 0. Tim wants to buy a new car and is curious to see what the price difference is at dealerships and in different countries nearby. This box and whisker plot shows the results. Okay, here is the new prices. What percent of the new cars cost 28,000 or less? Just 25%. Got it? The graph is divided into three equal portions: 25%, 25%, and 25%. So that means 28,000 is 25%. Got it? Students were surveyed as to how many stuffed animals they had at home. The box and whisker plot shows the results. What is the outlier? Which is the correct option? 10 or 100? Outlier means the point that lies outside the graph, so it would be 100. C. 100 is the outlier. Got it? So 100 stuffed animals is outlier. A store with branches in Clarksville and Belleville asked its customers about their household's annual clothing budgets. These box and whisker plots shows the result. Which city has a lower quartile that is lower? Just look at the lower quartiles. This one is the lower quartile. Clarksville has 1800 and Belleville has 1900. So that means Clarksville has lower quartile that is lower. Got it? The entertainment section of the local magazine needs to know the number of movies showing daily in nearby theaters. The box and whisker plot shows the results. Which percent of the theaters show 24 or fewer movies? You're not given with the correct option, that would be 100%. Got it? Because here is 24, it would be 100%. You are not given the correct option. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is scatter plots. Let's just see the scatter plots. Does this scatter plot shows a positive trend, a negative trend, or no trend? Let's just see. Look at this scatter plot. There is no obvious pattern. Basically, you have to look if there is a pattern in the scatter plot. That means they show a positive trend, a negative trend. But here you can see the points are scattered on the graph. They show no trend. Got it? Okay. Again, this one is no trend. All of them have no trend. Let's just start with the test. Okay. Does the scatter plot shows a positive trend, a negative trend, or no trend? You can see the values are not scattered. They are in the Y values are greater values. Got it? See, they are started from 40 and until they 90. That means it shows a positive trend. Got it? As X increases, Y increases. X started from 0, 40, and X is 100, it would be on 90. So as X increases, Y increases, so it will show a positive trend. Got it? Okay, does the scatter plot shows a positive trend, a negative trend, or no trend? No trend. See, when x is 0, here you have 4. When x is 10, here you have 0. And all the points are scattered on the graph, so it would be no trend. Got it? Does the scatter plot shows a positive trend, a negative trend, or no trend? It would be no trend. Got it? As x values are increasing, the graph is so scattered. Got it? That means the correct option is no trend. Does the scatter plot shows a positive trend, a negative trend, or no trend? You can see as the x values are increasing, y values are also increasing. Got it? That means the graph shows a positive trend. Got it? It would be the positive trend. Does the scatter plot shows a positive trend, negative trend, or no trend? The graph shows a negative trend. See, when x values are increasing, when x is 2, y is 9. When x is 9, y is 2. So they are the negative trend. Got it? When x is increasing, the y is decreasing. That would be the negative trend. Does the scatter plot shows a positive trend, a negative trend, or no trend? No trend. Got it? You can see all the points are scattered around the graph. So it would be no trend. Does the scatter plot shows a positive trend and negative trend or no trend? It would be a negative trend. Got it? As x values are increasing, y values are decreasing, so it shows a negative trend. Does the scatter plot shows a positive trend, a negative trend, or no trend? The graph is so scattered, so it shows a no trend. Got it? The graph is so scattered, so no trend. Does the scatter plot shows a positive trend, a negative trend, or no trend? It would be a positive trend. Got it? Does the scatter plot shows a positive trend, a negative trend, or no trend? No trend. Got it? The points are so scattered, so it would be no trend. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Also, we are done with the session. We were working on grade 8 maths. Chapter we were working on is data and graphs. And the lessons we have covered today are create histograms, create frequency charts, interpret box and whisker plots, and scatter plots. So if you have any question related to the graph, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. You guys are in grade 8. I suppose you already know about these graphs, but if you still have any question, you can ask. Okay, no questions. That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.